NASDAQ 100 traders, look at that 52-week high. Yes, it has. AI stocks have pumped this NASDAQ 100. I haven't seen this since 1999. And let me tell you something, we're overbought. Do not buy parabolic moves in an index. Bull runs will pull back. And we had an extraordinary rally up 182 points in that NASDAQ 100. It never looked back. New highs for the last month. So every pullback has had a new high. Now, over the next couple of weeks, we're going to have a nice big fat pullback. That's when you buy. You do not buy parabolic moves that have gotten way up there and are extremely overvalued in most cases. So once again, every great bull run will have a shakeout. It will pull back, and that is when you buy. Sign up for the free 5-day trial.